Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm Cesim Demir from Huawei, responsible for solution development for the manufacturing industry. And I'm welcoming you in our Munich Open Lab live here. And I will give a short overview about how to accelerate industrial transformation through all wireless and AI solutions. And we'll give a short strategy overview, what we are doing, what type of solutions we are providing to the manufacturing domain, as well as I will give one highlight in solution, one highlight in the products area, and two highlights in terms of the partnering. So, in regarding our strategy, we are already an established partner, global partner for the manufacturing industry in the ICT domain. And we are planning to be the best partner in the manufacturing domain for digital transformations by combining of all our portfolio and technologies in the edge computing, in the connectivity space like 5G, Wi-Fi, and optical technology and so on, as well as in cloud and AI. Our target is to provide solutions to accelerate digital transformation by all wireless technology in the factories, like to provide them base for having the faster deployment of use cases, of having increased flexibility, as well as having a full integrated solution. So, the preview for Hannover Messe will be our solutions capability that we will provide solutions and share solutions through the entire business chain in the manufacturing domain, from R&D up to the production, supply chain, as well as to the service space, like asset stock taking solutions, like wireless factory solutions, etc. And our target and our main contribution is actually the connectivity and also the edge computing, cloud, AI technology, and providing a full integrated backbone technology that provides cost savings to the partner and customers. In regard of the solution, so this is one solution that we will launch in this year, because in the past there was a lot of focus on the piloting of those solutions and technologies and having initial deployments of those. But now in 2021 and beyond, there will be much more focus on more integrated and more upscaling of those solutions to bring the biggest added value. So it means there's one space where, as we are the one company that provides all wireless solutions like 5G, Wi-Fi, and so on. So we are now going to have more full integrated solutions that here in this case, it's a wireless factory combining 5G, Wi-Fi 6, as well as optical network to provide, as I said, a full integrated backbone to increase the flexibility and to increase the speed for deploying new use cases. Like if we are talking about IoT use cases that machines need to be connected, then if everything going cabled like it was done in the past, then it takes much more time. So the speed is not enough to accelerate. So that's why we're going to a full integrated backbone with a full wireless factory solution. The next is a product launch as well. Here, giving one example, as in the manufacturing space, we are talking about launching of new products at our customer side. Doesn't matter if it's cars, if it's machines, whatever. And those products are needed to be produced at the different sites. Globally distributed means there are a lot of teams working together to align the process, to update and align the process changes in the manufacturing process, means to optimize this process step, this alignment. We are launching the new product. It's called Huawei ID Hub, that provides the capability that the launch teams, the product launch teams, can easily work together, can share through teleconferencing capabilities, through dashboards, etc., through visualization capabilities that can collaborate much more easily with each other within the distributed production network. The next one, there are two partnerships that we are working on, and we will launch the names in our exhibition slot during the fair itself. So we are working on two main bottlenecks in the production area. So the first one is actually the combining of lean management with the industrial, the digitalization solutions with Industry 4.0 solutions. This means the first step of digitalization actually is having a lean management solution in place. And there are a lot of partners that provide lean management concepts and solutions to reduce the waste in the process. And waste could be time, waste could be materials, etc. And we are now combining those lean management approaches with our digital solutions to provide cost saving, more than 20% cost saving to the customers, as well as to increase the efficiency, the productivity, and also having a simple operation and maintenance capability and platform in place. The other one is going to the logistics space and asset management space, where the localization is one of the big bottlenecks. And if we are talking about localization, there are also a lot of different technologies in place, like Wi-Fi based localization. And if it's going to much more lower or higher accuracy in terms of the location, like in centimeter space, then we are talking about ultra wideband technology. And our target is to integrate ultra wideband technology from our partners' portfolio with our Wi-Fi 6 solution to reduce the installation, the backbone network, and also if the installation and then the network itself is getting reduced, it means also the maintenance of the backbone network is getting reduced in terms of cost. So it means installation as well as in terms of the total cost of ownership will be reduced by more than 20%. It provides a simple operation and maintenance capability, as well as provides open APIs. So means you are able to put any type of asset into the shop floor, where you are able to access the location data in all of your top floor IT systems. And all of this technology, so as I said, we are doing a live stream, we are doing a live stream from our Open Lab in Munich. So we have all those mentioned technologies in place already in Munich in our lab, where you are welcome to visit us in Munich Ismaning. But also we are looking to see you and to meet you again in the exhibition during the fair itself. So there are a few seconds available. If there's any question, then I would be able to answer your questions. So my colleague will help me if there are any questions.
So we don't seem to have any questions from this side.
Okay. Then thanks a lot, and looking forward to see you in Hannover Messe.
Perfect.
During the exhibition.
Perfect, Chisholm. Thanks for your speech, and we're seeing you in April.